quick video, not much time. This stuff, get a good picture of it here. This stuff works really, really good on polycarbonate, guys. I just did the whole fairing here. And look, you can see through it perfectly. It was really hazy before, and now it's pretty darn clear. Also used it on a face shield of a motorcycle helmet, and it worked very, very well. So there you go. That's your tip of the day. It's better than any polycarbonate polish I've ever used, and I've used a lot since the 80s. As many of you guys know, in the 80s we had a lot of scratchy plastic because of polishes that said they were good for plastic, but this is probably the cheapest and the best you can get. There's still some chips on the glass, very, very fine ones, and some scratches here a bit, but I could polish that even more probably. So there you go, it will not haze. And this is not a paid for advertisement.